please. Good morning, everyone. Trisha, turn on your camera. Kevna, Nishika, Rahil, turn on your camera and sit in the class, please. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to, as you all know, that we have already started our chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? And if you have remembered the last day on Saturday, we have discussed about this quadrilateral diamond shape pattern, how they are changing according to the turns, according to the rotations. Wait a minute. Everyone, please take out your notebooks, sit with pen, pencil, and don't write first. Listen first, and then I will allow you to write. Children, if I say 1/4 turn, so 1/4 turn is how many degrees? If you know the answer, please tell me. Raise your virtual hand. I'll give you a chance to speak. 1/4 turn.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Lakshan, there is no page number. I'm first explaining you about the turns and degrees. So 1/4 turn is same as how many degrees? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Soham. Freya, yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, 90 degree.
How you have done, how have you have calculated the 1/4 turn is the 90 degree? Can you explain me? Just a minute.
Ma'am, quarter equals.
Yes, tell me. Freya, how you have calculated? You know the 1/4 turn is how many degrees? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, 1/4 turn is 90 degrees.
But how you have calculated that it's a 90 degree?
Ma'am,
Yes.
because full
Raise your virtual hand. Ayush and Rudra. Ayush, I will not answer you. Sorry. If you not follow the class rules. After raising hand, you will not say ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am will give you chance. Yes, Rudra Jajaria. Tell me.
Ma'am, you are lagging in my laptop.
And everybody is
Now I am audible to you all students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please tell me. Wait a minute. Now please tell me, as I was asking, how 1/4 turn is 90 degree. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Can Ayush
So
say?
please say
Can Ayush?
how 1/4 turn is 90 degree. Yes, Ayush.
Oh,
Yes, Ayush.
yes. Ma'am,
Well,
I calculated that according a entire circle is 360 degree. 1 second is the half of the entire, so it should be 180 degree. And 1/4 is the half of even the half, which is when calculated, it should be 90 degree.
So you children don't know how to calculate 1/4 of 360 degree because the complete circle is 360 degree. So you all have learned this pattern how to calculate 1/4, 1/3, 1/5 of the given number. And of means here the multiplication sign. You have learned know how to divide this with this. in grade 4? Yes or no, students? Yes. So when
Yes.
360 divided by 4, so what will be the answer? Will be 90 degree.
Yes,
4 ones
ma'am.
are 4, 4 nines are 36 plus 0 is 90 degree. Got it? Now, so children, remember always, if I say in fraction 1/4 turn and if I say in degree 90 turn, so the turn will be same. Got it? Whether it is in a fraction, whether it is in a degree, when it is 1/4 turn and 90 degree turn, both are same. Please respond me in the class, yes or no.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Karnav, Khevna, Daksh Patel, turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I say 1/3 turn, so how much is the degree? 1/3 turn. Raise your virtual hand if you know the answer. Rudra Master, lower down your hand. Now raise your virtual hand, students. 1/3 turn, how many degrees? Samriddhi will tell me because Samriddhi is just listening. And after the class, she will say, I have not understood. 1/3 turn is how many degrees, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, it is not. Wait a minute. 90 minus. 1 minute only.
1/3 of 360 degree because the 360 degree is a complete turn, full turn.
No. A minute, ma'am.
I will go to next child. Jahan Agarwal. 1/3 turn. How many degrees?
120 degree.
Very good. Excellent. 1/3
Ma'am, I want to
multiply by
tell you.
360 degree. 360 degree divided by 3. Ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 2 just
Ma'am,
6, 0.
because the 12 it comes on 12 table 36.
Understood. 360 divided by 3 is 120 degree. Ekansh clear. Gyan Dalal, everyone is clear?
Yes,
How to
ma'am.
calculate the fraction with the degrees? Yes or no?
Yes.
So always remember, if I say rotate 1/3 degree or if I say rotate 120 degree, the rotation will be same. If whether I say in fraction or whether I say in degrees. Half a turn. Now it is easy for you, Samriddhi. Half a turn, how many degrees?
Ma'am, half a degree could
Turn.
be.
Ma'am, I can tell. I also want to tell.
Lakshya, yes, I will ask from you. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, half a turn can be 90 degree.
You are not calculating with the method which I told you how to calculate. You are just guessing the answers.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Wait, Lakshya.
I'm calculating. Can you give me 2 minutes?
Every time I'll give you 2 minutes, then half an
Ma'am,
hour
can
will
you
be
tell me?
passed like this only. Yes, Ekansh.
Ma'am, I also want to tell.
360 का half भी नहीं पता समृद्धि आपको. What is the half of 360 degree?
Ma'am. Ma'am, can
The
I?
mic is mute and you are talking, Samriddhi.
Sorry, by mistake it went off. Ma'am, I was telling I want I don't know fully, but I am guessing the answer. Wait a minute.
Why you are guessing? The
Sorry,
concept is
I
not
am
clear to you.
expecting it. I think it.
Yes, Lakshya, you tell me what is half of 360 degree.
180 degree.
Yes. 180
Can I
degree.
see?
Because
Yes, Tuisha, I will ask.
because
Tuisha,
two
now
tables
you
it is
tell me
complete.
2/3. Two-third of 360 degree. How many degrees? Tuisha. 2/3 of 360 degree. Tuisha, I'm asking from you now.
Ma'am, is it 270 degree?
2/3 of 360 degree.
Ma'am?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but 270 degrees wrong. Mohit? Mohit? Mohit, you leave my class, bacha. You have joined 15 minutes late. Mohit, leave my class, otherwise I will remove you, bacha. Please turn on your camera and talk to me. Mohit, Daksh Patel, Vedi. Turn on your camera, please. Vedi, you also have joined late.
No, ma'am. I'm saying.
Mohit?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I introduced 240 degrees.
Yes, wait, I will talk to you, but wait, I want to talk with these children, those who are joining late. Mohit, leave my class. I'm removing you because you're not turning on your camera also. You're not talking to me also. Sorry, bacha. Okay. 2/3 of 360 degree. 360 divided by 3. Because here is nothing, we put 1, right? Either you first multiply these two numbers. 2 multiplied by 360 is what? There, will you tell me? These two numbers will multiply and these two numbers will multiply. 3 ones are 3. So what will be 2 multiplied by 360 degree?
700.
What is 700
720.
20.
and
720
divided by
degrees.
3? So 3 ones are
Ma'am, it
3.
will be
3 twos are
240
6.
degrees.
It will be 240 degree.
240
30
degrees.
degrees.
So this is in fraction we have learned about the numerator and denominator. So what is numerator here? And
2
denominator.
2 and
So
3.
numerator multiply by the numerator, denominator multiply by the denominator and divide it. Now if I say 4/5
Ma'am, I didn't
of
understand what was topic and what happened.
4/5 of 360 degree. Please find out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
720 now. And the 2/3 is 720 now.
Yes. 2/3 is not 720. 2/3 is 240.
Yes, ma'am. 2 multiplied by 360 degrees is 720
720.
degrees.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, the answer will be 288.
Wait, let Ayush, what Ayush is asking. What Ayush you
Ma'am,
are asking.
minus I would understand the method you told me.
My dear, we are learning the rotations in the fractions also and in the degrees also. So when it is fraction 1/4, so how you will know 1/4 is how many degrees? So 1/4 of 360 is, so you will need to find out the 1/4 of 360 degree. That is 90 degree. And if I say
Okay,
4/5 of 4/5 of
Ma'am, how
360
to do it?
degree.
How the you taught some type of formula thing, some type of method that I didn't
Numerator
understand.
multiply by the numerator, 4 multiply by 360 degree and divided with the denominator.
Ma'am, the answer will be 288.
Let me see. Uh,
Yes, ma'am. 288.
360 multiply by 4 and divided with the 5, 288 degrees. Yes. So this way,
Sorry.
this way you will find the degrees and the. So now I will write some degrees here. Please write.
Ma'am, but when I am multiplying days, the answer is coming 140, 1440. 1440.
You are not understanding still. What is 2/3 turn? Find degrees. Write the answer of this. Second question. Now, if it is given in degrees, how you will find the fraction? Derry, why you are looking sad in this class today? You're not understanding the
don't get
concept.
to. Man, no, I have little fever and all. That's why.
Okay, okay. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, you have to write something right now. Oh,
Whatever is
it's
given
making
in
us
the board, you
understand.
need to solve it.
So
What
we
is?
need to write it in the notebook.
Yes, Ayush, follow class rules always. You don't listen at the one go and then you disturb the class entire period.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra Jajaria.
ma'am, the answer will be 240.
Wait. So what is 2/3 turn? Find in degree. Write the answer. Solve it and write the answer. Now listen. Now I'm going to tell you the different method. Here you have fraction. You're finding the degrees. Sometimes you will have the degrees. You will find the fraction. What is fraction of 45 degree? How you will find? You know the complete turn is 360 degree, right? Divided with the 45 degree. You will get the answer. That is, find it fast. How many parts you are doing? 8. It will come 8.
1/8.
So it will be 1/8.
1.
Okay, got it, students? So do it 45 degree divided by 360 degree.
Ma'am, the answer is 8.
1/8. 45 ones are 45. And in 45 table, it will be 8 times 360 degree. So it will be 1/8. Whatever the degree is here, divided always with the 360 degree, you will get it the answer in the fraction. Write it fast. Done, students?
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, the 360 divided by 45, so it will also be
No,
180.
it will not come 1/8. It will come only 8 parts. So better you write 45 first and then as a new denominator 360 degree. Got it, students? Write one more question. What is 1/3 turn in degree? What is?
Ma'am, what
This is the third number.
Ma'am, I am confused. In second one, what is fraction of 45 degrees?
So how to find the fraction of any degrees? Write the degrees divided by 360 degree. You will get the answer.
Okay.
What is 1/3 turn? Find in degree. This is the third one.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please.
120 degree.
Yes. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, what do we write in the title and the index?
Rotation. Rotation. Clear, everyone is writing. This is first 2/3. Second question is converting the what is fraction of 45 degree. Third is what is the 1/3 turn of and find it into the degrees. I am writing the fourth question also. Fourth is same like the third.
Board is
Now
full
here
blown.
instead of 1/3 write 1/4. Yeah, wait a minute. Now it's coming clear.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer will be
Fourth
90
question
degree.
Ma'am,
question is-
the answer will be 80 degree.
Yeah, fourth question is 1/4 ton. I don't have a space, so I am writing 1/4 ton. Find it into the degrees.
Ma'am,
Yes.
90 degree.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, students. Now I will show you how to do the turns of the different objects, different numbers, different letters, different shapes. Done,
Ma'am, the
students?
1/4 one is
1/4 turn.
yeah
What
one.
is 1/4 turn? Find in degrees.
It is 90 degree.
Yes. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, students?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Can I erase?
Ma'am, I didn't understand
You can erase
how to
third
take out
one.
How
Ma'am,
to take
it's
how to take out the fraction when the given degrees are given? Take
Yes.
the degree divided with the 360 degree.
Okay.
Whatever degree is here. If it is a 60 degree, take 60 degree as a numerator divided with the 360 degree.
Ma'am, in third question, I have a confusion.
Again, you have a confusion, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, what is 1/3? Sorry, fourth one. What is 1/4? Sorry, what is 1/3 turn?
What is 1/3 turn? Find out 1/3 turn of 360 degree. How to find? Method is same. If you are learning the method, then sorry, then it will be very difficult to explain.
ma'am, what is the fourth one?
1/4 turn. What is 1/4 turn? Find in degrees. Any doubt till here? Anna Agarwal, any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anya, Dan Patel, Migdad, any doubt till here? Migdad, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Daksh Patel, sit with your camera on. Karnav, Rudra Master, Ayush, sit with your camera on, please. Okay, can I erase the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't see what's written in the second last one. What is that 1/3 degree? Then
Nothing. What is 1/3? Find in degree.
okay.
Ma'am,
Please
dad.
be little fast, bacha.
Ma'am, done.
You can erase second one.
Anyone knows how to rotate in Word? How to rotate the letters, alphabets in the
No,
Word?
ma'am, you are asking from me now.
Yeah, Anya, you know?
Ma'am, I know.
Anya, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you present the screen and show us?
I cannot present to, I can just show in my notebook.
No, I want the how to do in the Word.
Ma'am, can I show Ayush Singhania?
Yes, Ayush, please
Okay.
show.
Okay,
Present
ma'am,
your screen.
I will not present the screen, but I will show you. In my computer only this thing.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. Once
You
again.
want that video how to turn a word?
Yes, how to turn a word or a letter in the MS Word. Can I raise board?
Yes, ma'am, you can erase the.
See why I was asking how to rotate the board, because you can do
Ma'am?
it with the practically also. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I'm showing like A. Ma'am, I have to do capital, right?
Yeah, capital.
So this is capital A,
Hmm.
and then rotate.
No, I wanted to rotate it according to the degrees.
Degrees.
Yes.
Wait, ma'am, there's a button that can rotate it into degrees. I know.
You need to change the degrees also here.
Yes. Ma'am, I can't find it.
No problem. Leave.
Ma'am, there is one that allows me to.
We will do tomorrow. No problem. Okay. Today I'm giving you the. Today I'm giving you the this one.
I
Then
can show you.
Tomorrow I
I
will
can
show you the practice.
present.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
please.
can present.
Present, Lakshya.
Two minutes, ma'am.
Meantime, Lakshya will be ready. Everyone can able to see my board.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am,
you
we can see
see?
your board.
Ma'am,
Yes, Lakshya, bacha.
see.
Very good. But can you rotate it according to the
Ma'am,
rotation?
I'm showing painting.
No.
In my laptop painting, I draw. I write a letter.
Very
A,
good. Hmm.
and then right side A, down side 1/4 half a turn,
Hmm.
and
Then
then left
3/4 turn.
3/4 turn, and then
What? Then what will
again
be the next?
it will be A.
Very good. So it is
And
a
this
full turn.
process is continuing.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Lakshya.
Welcome.
Can you stop presentation? Okay. So
Ma'am,
as I was
ma'am,
discussing about the rotations, yes.
ma'am, I have a ma'am, I can present my screen in the paint and
Paint.
I can show you that how to rotate it in the paint.
Okay. Please show me.
Okay, ma'am, I'm presenting 1 second.
Yeah, we can rotate in the paint.
Mm. 1 minute. One second.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I present?
As she's trying, Anushka.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
you
please.
see my screen?
No, no.
Ma'am, can I? Wait a second, I'll present it again. Ma'am, now it is coming?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'll open the paint.
Okay. See, children, why I am asking about the rotation of the letters, numbers, pictures, alphabets? Because next is our rotation only. Okay.
So now, ma'am, like I have drawn.
Nothing is visible, Anushka, on your presentation screen.
Ma'am, but it's showing that I'm presenting.
You are presenting, but nothing is visible to us.
Ma'am, I'll present it again.
Yes,
Just a
Trisha,
second.
please be ready. If you are ready, then present. Trisha is presenting. Anushka, wait.
Ma'am, did it came?
No.
Wait a second, it will come.
Trisha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. See, can you see, ma'am?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, see this over here is the rotate option and 90-degree left, right, and 180-degree.
Yes. So can you write any letter and rotate it?
See, I've written A over here. So it went over here.
Select it.
Ma'am, can I press it?
Wait, let her do. Then you can press it.
Ma'am, I can't see your presentation only.
Not mine.
And the whole page is
Can't,
also
I
moving.
also can't.
No, ma'am, Tunisha.
It is there, bacha. It is there on the screen. You can go to Trisha's presentation and pin.
Ma'am, there's no
Yes,
presentation.
Yes, ma'am. There is no
Okay, Trisha, stop presentation. Okay, stop now. I am going to explain you here on the board. See, children,
Ma'am,
if
can I
this
present
letter
the
N.
screen?
Okay, Anushka, present.
Okay, ma'am, I'm presenting. Is it coming, ma'am?
No.
Wait a second, ma'am. It will come. It will come. Did it
Yes.
came? Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, this is I made it. Now we have go to this rotate option in this. Now we can rotate it as we want.
Okay.
I'm
Yes.
rotating it 180 degrees. Now we can also flip it horizontal vertical.
Yes. So here in MS Word, you will only maybe get the selected option either in the 80-degree, 90-degree, or 120-degree, or the selected options you will get. But when you do in the Word, you can stop presenting, Freya, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am.
But you can, when you go in Word, there you can write the degrees according to your choice, and that letter will be rotate according to the degrees which you have feeded in that. Tomorrow I will show you with the Word also. If you want to explore and bring the ideas, and you can also show me. Okay, so this is the letter N, and if I want to rotate it into the 1/4 turn. So how it will look like when the 1/4 turn? It will look like this. And when I rotate it to half a turn, it will look like this. On half a turn. At half a turn, it is looking same. N is looking same on half a turn. Yes or no, students?
Yes.
And then when it go to 3/4 turn, how it will look? Can anyone show me how it will look? Draw in your notebooks. Freya, show me, draw in your notebooks. And children, suppose this is the N I have drawn, or F I am drawing here F, which is given on your page number 101. Page number 101, the F is already given. And you can see the F is now this. So this is the 45-degree. Then the F is this. This is 90-degree. So what have you observed? Each time the turn is increasing by 45 degrees. From original to 45, then 45 to 90, and now 90 to 120 will be like this. That's why I was saying when you do in the Word, you will get the exact images. From 120, if you add 45, it will be 165 degree. And 165 degree, where you will see the 165 degree from the original position. Where come the one? You all know 45 degree angle will come this side. 90-degree angle will be, if you put a protractor, 90-degree will be this. Then 120-degree. Then 165-degree. Means each time your letter is turning to the 145, 45-degree. Have you observed here? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have observed that each turn is showing that the letter is turning more 40 degree.
Yes, ma'am. 45 degree, 90 degree, or 120 degree.
Then it will come 165 degree. And after
160.
165 degree, when you add 45 degree, next will be 210 degree. Right? So this way the rotation will happen with the letters and the alphabets also. So tomorrow we will continue. Yes, Priya, show me.
Ma'am, this can we do? We can do this in MS Logo also.
Yes. Please explore it more and show me in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.